Hello traders, how are you doing? This is Aftab and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is a weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday, uh, 9th of September 2024 and the week ends on 13th of September 2024. So tell me everyone, how were the last few days of the week? Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It worked fantastic, and I just want to relax, do this forecast in sort of like a bit relaxed manner. Today morning, I had a car crash, and the back door is completely like ruined. So very bad start of the day. All right, my friends. Otherwise, I'm mostly super excited for these weekly forecasts. And my goal and struggle is to never miss a weekly forecast. Weekly is very much important, my friends. Right? So, I will be discussing mainly the euro dollar and the gold. And if I get time, maybe some other pairs as well. The setup and the system, everything is same for gold, dollar, and for every instrument. Same strategy which works everywhere. So this is some other plan, right? I will be opening a new chart of the euro dollar as well. Since this is a weekly forecast, so I have to see that what it actually can do right here. Here is a little bit of request from all of you. When and usually I say this thing in my videos is that when a trader is relaxed, he is able to take more good trading decisions. But when a trader is not relaxed, he can analyze the market, but personally, he cannot trade, right? So, my friends, I'm these days a bit nervous also as well, and I have to talk to you as well. So, I thought today that when I will be doing this weekly forecast, I will be sharing some of my thoughts that are disturbing me. And currently, I want to tell you that the place where I'm living, I am disturbed as hell, right? And moving to the capital of the country, obviously, that requires almost $200 a month expenses. So, 200 expenses, right? If I go there and if I set up my YouTube studio in the capital, believe me, these analyses will be regular and like there I will have nothing to do, just the PC and just me. So I will be able to give more updates from there. And anyone who voluntarily want to help me in this for 6 months may contact me. Email and WhatsApp is given in the description. So you can say I need some sponsors who can sponsor my stay in the capital of my country, Islamabad. where I will hire a studio apartment, and from there I will build a team with myself out of you who understand my strategy. I will make a team who will be working with me, and then we can plan live sessions as well. So different opportunities, right? And this is something I wanted to tell you, because right here I'm fed up and completely like you can say my mind is, due to the stress, is like this, like as if someone has hold it very very tightly. So all of these burdens right here I have. And anyways, so my friends, euro dollar, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So after 2 weeks I am running an analysis, because last week, on last Saturday, I missed the forecast due to all of these mental burdens. I couldn't focus on the chart. But then during the weekdays, I uh, 3 or 4 videos I uploaded, and all of the setups worked well. But mostly, weekly time frame is my favorite one since the beginning. Weekly time frame and daily time frame, these are my favorite one. So 10 days ago, when I was forecasting for euro dollar, market was right here. This is 1, this is 2, this here market was, and this was a clear reversal zone, most of you will remember. And I clearly mentioned that this is anything or any move up that will be our what? Our buying zone. And any sell on the basis of the previous support becomes resistance, like this. This previous resistance became a resistance. So previous level stands out right here, right? So this bottom, my friends, gave us good profits. And even before, several weeks ago, when I gave you this setup in June, when I was giving you this setup, this area was a take profit zone, right? So I assume if you bought from here, you are out from the market with 373 pips, right? 373 pips in around 3 4 months. This particular plan was, right? So now there are a lot of things, but first I will try to deal with this price action on the monthly and the weekly time frames. Last week, last month closed below 1.10413 because it was a resistance, and once a candle cannot close above it, it means this is a stronger one. So then we have seen this particular candle, and this is now open, right? But as far as this monthly is concerned, this is clearly bullish. Clearly bullish, like it is clearly bullish towards 61.8% retracement. And this 61 is right here. So price has been rejected from there and closed below this. This month, we can say it will touch again, and it can close, it can go down. So monthly candle is open, it can do anything. Clear? Now move on to the weekly. Now on the weekly, if we say Last month, no doubt, this market dropped from there, and even the previous week, this whole really I took as a sell. This whole. Then I took this whole as a buy. So now on the weekly time frame, definitely this is a breakout retest type of trade. So on the daily, if there is something bullish, we should focus on it. Now this is like very much interesting, my friends. Just like my life is interesting these days today. These days, my life is disturbed. Same right here. Disturbance is going to occur very, very soon. And why? Let me tell you that. There is also an ABCD pattern on the daily time frame pointing towards the top. Just see. And it is also suggesting a break above the structure. 1.1374 will be the completion. Remember, very, very important level it is on this good looking chart. On the other hand side, there is H4 as well. I covered this whole in my daily forex forecast video, and then this in my daily forecast video, and then this as well in my daily forecast video. See? So on the H4, the thing is, it has created a confusion, just like there is a lot of confusion in my life at this time. You guys have to pray for me, right? And if anyone can afford to sponsor my out of city YouTube studio, I will highly appreciate you and I will pray for you. If I could manage to spend this much money extra than my budgets, then I would definitely do it from my own pocket. But anyways, so this I discussed as well, and this dropped as well. Again 67 pips. But the thing is, from right here, it is now suggesting 1.099592. So a very, very tricky situation it is. Now pay close attention, my friends. Do you get? But we have one other thing right here. Do you see this bullish trend? Right here we have a bullish trend. So the chances can be most likely, since this is also a Fibonacci number on the lower time frames, it is pointing towards this double top. Well, I think so. It can create this double top. See, just have a look at it, okay? And just understand this is ABCD right here, hidden one. Once you get a proper training with me, you will be able to do it yourself. And if I get a chance to move to a new studio, I will be free of cost right here. 2-3 hours live with all of you discussing intraday and day trades. So this is, my friends, the weekly one, right? And a confusion because at one side of the market it is showing up, at the other it is showing down. But if it completes this one, it has to break the trend, right? If it breaks to the top side of the market, it also have to break this trend. So see, like market is trading in a range and the ABCD pattern is suggesting a pullback. A pullback. This is technically what can happen on Monday and Tuesday. not a complete plan for the whole week. I think for the week there must be, yes, I think I will be sticking with this plan, and then if there is anything else, I will update it in the daily forex forecast video. But for now, this is the trickiness of the market. Those who understand it are the king of the market. So like see, everyone is selling, selling, selling right here, and once the big player know this, that most of the liquidity is consumed by the market at this particular place, they will swap it all to the top side. Stop loss is hit and a fresh rally to the downside. So plenty of opportunities. If this market was open, I would definitely be able to show you right now that how it happens. So make sure for that you can check my daily forex forecast videos. Now moving on to the gold. So this trade in the daily forex forecast I give, then this double top trade I give worked nicely. So what's next? Well, my friends, there is still, I have discussed that the market seems to be going towards 2570. Let me open a new chart. Just have a look at this week. Well, obviously, these two candles are sell candles, but don't you think so? These were also sell candles, and then what the market did. So, tiny candles for me. I will not assume them. Monthly is yet open, but we do have this monthly support right here on the gold. This one, 2289. So this is around 2270. Okay, right here, 2280. Market is standing above this. So now move on to the, well, on a daily time frame, if we see, if someone asks me what should I do on the daily, I will say just wait. Market is anyways coming back down to 2374. So when it is will be down, you can take a fantastic buy from right here. There we took plenty of sell opportunities I discussed in the weekly forecast 5 days ago. One, two, three, four, five, what I said, and even before that in that week. All of these I have discussed. If you forgot, I will be too upset on you if you forgot this thing. So like again, market dropped very nicely, and even in the daily setups I discussed it yesterday that 2536 it's going, and 2530, and it exactly right here, see, bounced off from 2530 yesterday for 443 pips, my friend. See, like gold gives fantastic profit in less time. There you see euro US dollar long term plan give us how much profit? Around 373 pips. We took it in June and we closed it in September. 373, and gold gave that in just one candle. So very good opportunity from the gold, but only for those who understand the stop losses, the take profits, and the entries. Remember, my friends, stop loss is a different decision. Like in trading, there are total three decisions. When you are ready to hit this button on the mouse, you are taking three decisions. Number one, you are entering into a market at a certain price point. Number two, you are setting up your stop loss. And number three, you are setting up your take profit. So this is the beauty of my strategy, which gives everything to me. So yes, as per the previous plan, it dropped this much, and now what it can do next week is obviously 2374, it is coming back down. But who knows how much time does it take? So definitely for that, I have to also run a little bit of lower time frame analysis as well to give my audience a better image of the market. So see right here. First thing is we will have a Fibonacci all the way from right here till up there, and the Fibonacci number comes right here near 2421. Okay, we say that's good. Last week what we had was this ABCD pattern, and even I discussed it in detail. This level 618 gave good profits as well. How? Let me show you. Even I discussed it yesterday as well, but first time it gave profit, second time it gave good profits. See, this level I'm discussing for a sell 2530. I'm discussing for a sell all the way from right here, and see how many times it gave that profit. I highly request you to recheck my previous analysis. So this is, and I said that unless price closes below this particular zone, market will be bullish towards where 2567, and this is now like the third week I'm keep discussing it. But right here, even this smaller one also suggests this move towards 2541. So 2540, 2550, 2567, all of these are my levels. Now there is one thing, and that is the establishment of this tiny trend on the H4. Just have a look at it. See how nicely this trend line is. So 2470, unless price is trading above 2470, I and my strategy will say it is going up to 2567. Once we get a break below this, then 2421. Now if you don't understand how you can take a trade, for that definitely you need some mentorship course, right? Because right here, if you cannot trade, it means you know nothing, you have no experience. So yes, this is all of the levels that I discussed. Next week I will resume right here from the from the daily forex forecast video, gold and euro US dollar. Make sure to check those videos out. It's full of profits, my friends. See, myself, I am very sad, and I also want to tell you, like, there are a lot of different reasons. A lot of reasons, my friends. You know, right here in our country, this, when your own blood is like getting jealous from you, or is trying to kill you, maybe, or to point a gun at you, your own blood, then yes, these things definitely disturbs a person. Anyways, I tried my level best to give you all of the levels. Okay, my friends, please pray for me. Right, tomorrow I will see you in the next video. And since gold I discuss on Sunday, So I will further discuss this gold plan as well uh, in the weekly forecast of gold. So yes, let's see what life gives us. Take a lot of care of yourself and goodbye.